Doce Pares, a form of Arnis or eskrima, a Filipino martial art that focuses primarily on stick fighting and hand-to-hand combat. It was founded in 1932 by renowned escrimadores, spearheaded by the Saavedras and the Cañetes. In the early 1950s, eskrima techniques and tactics were analyzed, devised, modified, and systematized by Sergiaco Cacoy Cañete, based mostly on actual combat experience with other escrimadores belonging to the rival eskrima schools. Among his many contributions to the development of this martial art is escrido, a combination of judo and eskrima techniques. As well as the most modern forms of eskrima offense and defense. Cacoy Cañete, who was then 12 years old when Doce Pares was founded, is now hailed as the Doce Pares Supreme Grandmaster by his disciples who joined him when he formed his own Doce Pares school. He passed away on February 25, 2016, but his style is survived by his children and grandchildren. Many of whom are top instructors in Cacoy Doce Pares in the Philippines and US. Now, as a fitting tribute to the Supreme Grandmaster, the SGM Cacoy Cañete FMA Festival World Eskrima Championship kicked off on August 8, 2018 at the Robinson's Galleria Cebu, with around 130 participants competed in this world-class Arnis event. Some of the countries represented are the USA, Canada, and Australia.
Kaning among gipahigayon karon kuan ni siya every 2 years ni siya na tournament in honor ni Grandmaster Cacoy Cañete tungod sa iyang contribution sa promotion sa Filipino Martial Arts, dili lang diri sa Philippines kundi sa abroad sad. Pero next year we're planning to have a national invitational tournament to celebrate his kuan unta ka 100 years niya birthday ni kuan. Wala pa may date gyud pero napa may sa planning stage.
This art, to me, has the most relevance to survival on the street and being able to protect your family and friends. It doesn't exclude other techniques from other arts. I think it's the most pure and best art for self-defense and offense that I've ever found.
Okay. And I just have a great time training with all of these people, and it's a great family, and we're able to train together and just have a really good time, and so this is fun.
My only goal was to have fun and see how well I can do, compare myself to all the other fighters, but then I realized, well, I don't really need to compare myself to the other fighters. I just need to do the best I can do.
And I just wish all the competitors to do well and strengthen their camaraderie with all other competitors.
And I'm very happy to be here for the third time, and I wish a great success for the tournament.
And this is my first tournament, and the whole experience is quite an amazing one.
Good for my health. I enjoy the combat sport, and yeah, good for my fitness.
started with the kata competition. Kata is a Japanese word. It is a detailed choreographed patterns of movements practiced either solo or in pairs. The term formed is used for the corresponding concept in non-Japanese martial arts in general. There were two categories, the children's category with ages 8 to 12 and the adult category.
So ang kata, kuan na siya, kanang mura na siya shadow fighting, kumbaga kung i-describe nimo. Pero dapat dili lang kay nagwara-wara kasi mong weapon, kundi imong gi-simulate nga naa kay kontra. Ang forms nimo, ang techniques, the way ka mo strike, ang precision sa strike, imong gi-practice mo na ang kata. So ang gi-consider na kay ang pagka-authentic sa kata, walay gi-follow nga pareha ng magtumbling-tumbling acrobatic. Dili naman na Filipino martial arts. Na high kicks, di naman na Filipino martial arts, kundi atong as much as possible ikuha na to nga pure nga Filipino martial arts nga techniques ang kanang buhaton. Like for example, kanang buna lang, pagdunggab.
Second call for Era Maiden Queen of Filmacan. Again, second call for ring number 3. Richie Quezon of
Number 2, 51 seconds. Judges, there's a violation.
After the participants showed off their individual forms, the sparring began with the participants in full headgear and armor. August 10, 2018, the last day of the tournament. Participants engaged in a fierce armor-free combat. Headgear and padded sticks were the only protection. We're going to start the hand-to-hand combat shortly. I'm Dante Luzon of MyTV Cebu, and with me is the eskrima expert, the 10th grade of eskrima and the grandson of the Supreme Grandmaster Cacoy Cañete, no other than Chuck Cañete. Hello, Chuck.
Thank you, Sir Dan, sa pag-invite ako.
Okay. Ang atong ipakita karon is the hand-to-hand combat. But before that, mangutana lang ko rin mo, being an expert in this kind of sports, pila edad mo nag-start sa Arnis eskrima?
9 years old gito akong formal training.
Wow.
So that was, so 36 years na ko nag-kuan Filipino Martial Arts.
And I remember there was a telemovie that we had dito pa ako sa Pika Station. It's called Police, and you were the lead star at the time.
That was 2007, Sir Dan.
Yeah.
Kataon na that.
So this competition is your tribute to your lolo, Cacoy Cañete.
So kini siya amo ning i-organize every 2 years para pag-honor sa iyang contribution sa martial arts world ba.
Okay.
Lolo nako si Master Cacoy.
Okay, so without further ado, let's begin with the hand-to-hand combat. This time, the fighters, the combatants, the participants will be in headgear and armor, correct?
Armored sparring.
All right, let's take a look. Here we go. Chuck, pila ka seconds ang allotted first round aning competition?
Kuan ni siya, sir. Basta armored sparring, kada round kay 1 minute. Yeah, 3 rounds man ni siya, so mahupog 3 minutes. And ay interval nga 30 seconds nga break.
Okay. As I see here, naka-armor sila, no? But what is the possibility or the risk na doon na yung mga parts sa body nga o dili covered ka maigo?
Usually, sir, ang kining tungod lihok manggay ka inig fight nimo, ang kining imong gibutang arm pads or elbow pads usay malubag ba, mahiwi niya, dili by accident maigo, sakit jud nung kayo kay live stick man atong gamit.
Yes.
O dili man padded, close quarter unya curving ang strikes.
Alright. As you can see, nagkapaspas na, no? It's very aggressive na.
Pareha
Nahulog.
to na
Nahulog.
disarm.
Oo. Na disarm, nahulog ang kung sa'y tawag ni morning stick, is that
Garote.
garote or
So ni-declare ang referee ron og kuan naaman deduction 1 point.
aha.
So iyang i-klaro sa kada judge nga madedakan. O Sir Dan, kining say mainit ka, madala ka sa imong emotions, pero mao nang ang referee dapat kibaw siya sa init ba ang duwa kay
Okay.
magkasakitan niya, magtinuoray.
Yes.
Mo nang among mga sanction kusukon sa good, strong sa good para mag-careful sa dang mga players.
So that's the end of the first round. We're going to the second round. Okay, second round, and here we go again. Very, very fast and very, very swift ang movement. Ang ako nabantayan, especially when the contestants or the participants are quite younger, mas paspas ang agility, mas paspas ang mobility, ang movement, mas paspas ang hapak.
Oh, tinuod na Sir Dan. Kay kuan uptick pa jud kayo ba. Mo nang among gi-categorize na yung sparring kuan nga divisions naa gyud ni by age gyud ni siya. Age category una, human divide din siya by weight classes. Kay para dili ma timing ha ang edad-edaran ang kontra kay bata-bata, so kansi na daan.
Of course. But of course, lahi ra po, experience comes handy, you know, especially in a competition like this. But again, precision and timing is very important because kung walay timing, delikado. 5 seconds more to go. We're on the second round. There is atong competition. Third and last round, mga tanong ko, Chuck, unsay nakalahi sa Cacoy Cañete Doce Pares compared to other Doce Pares?
Ang Doce Pares, good Sir Dan, kining club na siya composed of lain-lain nga masters, lain-lain nga kuan, lain-lain nga styles.
Okay.
So ang kaning Cacoy Cañete Doce Pares, distinct ni siya kay tungod ang style or ang method sa iyang sistema sa pag-eskrima kay kang Cacoy Cañete man yung personal style niya nga, which is
ang akong observation, you know, sometimes in the middle of the competition, hand-to-hand combat, no, and then suddenly when the participants or the combatants go out of control, chances are di ginamalit kaya nimo nga, you know, na masakitan, no. Does that happen then every time in a competition?
Oh, Sir Dan, kining say mainit ka, madala ka sa imong emotion.
Blow by blow account coverage of this competition.
Winner, red.
Okay, second fight, first round, women's division. Ang atong mga combatants ani karon, Chuck?
Oh, si Rachel Sabelio gikan sa Cacoy Doce Pares, there's Philippines versus sa taga Darwin nga si Susette Saison.
All the participants in this competition here sa Robinson's Galleria, mga unsa man na track record ani, daghanan ni sila mga they win lots of competitions prior to this.
Kani si Rachel, sir, kay kuan na ni siya.
mga kaupat na siguro niyang competition kunya nagsige na ni daog og medals. While kani si Suset bag-o ni siya nga ni appeal gyud og competition kay ang iyang husband maoy maoy team coach, team captain sa sa Darwin nga group.
Do you encourage these people to carry the stick wherever they go as a form of self-defense?
Kining nung eskrima Sir Dan nagtudlo ni siya og kanang weapon of opportunity. So anything
weapon of opportunity.
Anything like umbrella or kanang gi-roll nga newspaper pwede gamiton na the same move kaya imong extension naman sa hand ang kon.
Okay, na human sa first round. There goes the first round ni atong second fight. It's a women's category. Kung dili ka kahibaw kinsay nagduwa because of the armor and the headgear, you wouldn't know kung babae ba or lalaki ang nag-eskrima diha.
Makurat na lang uban babae ditong niduwa di ay.
You cannot underestimate women at this point in time because mapunalan ka nila, puliki mo ang tang.
Sakto gyud.
Pila ka seconds ang allotted first round aning competition?
Kuan ni siya sir, basta armored sparring kada round kay 1 minute. 3 rounds pa ni siya so mahugog 3 minutes niya. Nay interval nga 30 seconds nga break. Ang kuan man gyud Sir Dan, kung sa tinuuray pa ni dapat mga 10 seconds lang mana ang away.
Okay.
Unya ang kani enough na ang 1 minute.
All right. So, we're going to enter the third and the last round of this fight. End of the second round. All women engaged in a hand-to-hand combat.
Although 1 minute ra ni siya Sir Dan tungod sa sa imong gipangsulog nga gear bugat man kayo ni.
Okay.
So murag sakto ra gyud ang 1 minute ani. Pero ang preparation aning mga players usay tag 2 minutes per round para lang pag-prepare silang kaugalingon ba. Ilang gi-push ang ilang kaugalingon asa kutob.
So paspas kayang blow, paspas kayang strike. Kung saan pag-judge sa judges kung pila ka bukang iko?
Ang kasagaran gyud nga i-consider sa judge nga kani daog ni ang kaning combination sa strikes kay di man nimo makita ang art.
Okay.
Kay kung puro lang kuan kining redundant lang ang striking mura mag-wise skills nga gipakita. So importante kayo ang pag-distribute sa strikes ba, head sa body shots. Dili lang kayo mo concentrate or focus sa usa ka kuan, usa ka target.
Does it follow that if you're good in kata, you're also good in the hand-to-hand combat?
Dili sa kay lahi man gud siya, lahi gud siya nga duwa.
Okay, so we are into the third round or the gitangtangan ng armor. So engage into a hand-to-hand combat again.
O karon gi-brief sila ron sa referee.
Okay.
So gi-remind sa kuan katong mga bahin sa safety o pagkuan nga maminaw gyud sa unsay mandong sa referee kay ang referee may nag-control sa fight.
Unsay basis foul?
Usahay ka nang di man pwede mo hapak below the belt kanang tinuyuan yun. pagkuan mo declare mi foul. Usay kung magtalikod ang kontra, niya hapakon gini mong luyo, foul gyapon siya.
Bang, bang, bang. Oops. What happened?
Murag na tangtang ang armor.
Alright.
So, ang referee uptick gid kayo tanaw niya kung unsay mga kuan ba delikado. Parehas tangtang na ang armor kung ipadayon to, mabunog yun.
So kung referee ka, does it follow that you know how to do Arnis also?
Oo, kung importante kay Sir Dan nga ikaw mismo referee, eskrimador sa ka, kay kasapot ka sa dula ba.
Very, very fast.
At the time na.
Time. Okay, so that's the end of the first round, ladies and gentlemen. We're going. Going to start with the second. Just to recap, 3 rounds per fight. And how many seconds allotted per round? That's 10 seconds.
1 minute per round
1 minute
fight.
per round.
Yeah, 30 second ang break.
Okay, here we go. Second round. Go for it, guys. Here we go. Go. Wow.
Machine gun.
It was even a joke na kini kanong iskrimador og labayon kuno ni mong usway makalusot pero kung labayon ni mo kini
gantangan. Mo na siging ibugal-bugal sa lolo.
I heard of Arnis when I was a kid, but I never had the chance to really explore on it until time came katong mga panahon sa mga movies before, like there was an actor si Roland Dantes.
Oo, si Grandmaster Roland Dantes. Namito na ko sa Indonesia. Nag-tournament mi dito mi nag-hold of tournament o niya. Usa siya sa mga guest.
Si Bruce Lee, was he into Arnis also?
Nakadungog ko, Sir Dan, nga kini si Grandmaster Dan Inosanto nagtudlo-tudlo niya o murag ingon nila eskrima ko no niya sa nunchuck sa kining chakko. Murag si Grandmaster Dan Inosanto sa nagkuha ni Bruce Lee.
Si there was a Filipino in the US, si Dan Inosanto.
Dan Inosanto, kuan kining student na ni Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee, no?
Actually, naasay student si Bruce Lee isa si Richard Castillo, personal student sa to sa akong lolo.
Okay. We're going to enter the third round here. This is the last round of this competition. Can I repeat? All contestants are in full gear, body armor, and headgear.
Pero na yung mga practitioner sa art pareho anang Jeet Kune Do, kining Wushu or Kung Fu. Ganahan sila sa eskrima, labi na close quarter kay makarelate sila. Dili na foreign para nila ba kay dool man close quarter man sa dang Kung Fu.
Very close ang contact sa bodies, no? As you can see here. Dool kay sila ba? Last 5 seconds and we will find out who will emerge as the winner in this particular fight. We're into the next fight. What division is this, Chuck?
Kuan ni siya, Sir Dan, double stick nga seniors nga kuan age category. Kuan ni Philippines versus USA.
Okay, ang atong mga players are
Si kuan ni si Mars Padulin sa Cacoy Doce Pares gyapon Cebu versus Eric Bjorge sa USA. Pero Doce Pares gyapon ni sila.
Pero am I correct if I say that Arnis competition is originally a Filipino form of martial art?
Oh, ato gyud ning kaugalingon, Sir Dan, dapat ma-proud ta. Ma-proud ta sa atong kaugalingong martial art nga gi-adapt na pud internationally.
So this is entirely a Filipino kind of competition, and as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it gained international recognition. Obviously, there are a lot of foreign players here now participating. This is a fine example. This is the first round. USA versus Philippines.
Philippines, yes.
Who's better, Filipino or Americano? We will we will find out. Was there a time that si Danilo Santo was also, nagka-encounter sila ni Supreme Master, Grandmaster Cacoy Canete?
Kita sila dito sa US. Murag ni visit lang sa school ang lolo.
Last 5 seconds of first round. That's it. Okay, we're into the second round here in our competition. I'm Banta Luzon and with Chacaniente. We're here at the Cebu City Sports Center. And
City Sports Club, Sir Dan.
City Sports Club.
Yes,
Medyo
Sir Dan.
I'm na-disorient na ko sa ako magong pagtanaw nga paspas kay mga bunal ba hasta ako mismo na-disorient na. ako'y sakitan magtanaw ani Chuck every time na may go.
Mo lagi labi naa ka dito live.
I feel the pain.
Dungog yun nimo ang mga buto-buto.
Pero was there an incident that naanay na nadala sa ospital?
Dili sa among kasuway may pero kuanto kini unsa ni nakutdan og hangin ba.
Okay.
Kuyapon motong gidana lang og kuan ambulance na kuan.
All right, last 5 seconds. Second round. USA versus Philippines. Okay. You started young sa imong Arnis training.
O akong first na ko nga kuan 9 years old ko.
Wow. Okay, third round na, ladies and gentlemen. Muna yung binukbukay naman sa ginahawa. Matirang matibay. This is literally blow by blow. And we're giving you the blow by blow account coverage of this competition. Third and the last round. USA versus Philippines in this eskrima Doce Pares competition.
Ning double stick nga category lisod-lisod ni kayang dapat left right man imong gamiton dili kay ang right ta pirmi. So dapat coordination sa imong duha ka kamot maayo gyud.
Kung sa boxing, pag left-handed ka, you are southpaw. Nabay term na also sa eskrima kung left-handed ang eskrima ko.
Wala man nun, Sir Dan. Pero Pero uban labi nagnay kuan og boxing usay ilang din kuan na gamiton nga term.
Okay. So here we go.
Red, Mars Maduli.
Non-stop, blow-by-blow coverage with this very fierce hand-to-hand combat. This is the 5th fight. Actually, ladies and gentlemen, I again advise the children not to try this at home, especially if you are not properly trained. Here we go, Cha.
Abtik kayo munal. Umatter man sad gud ang imong kuan, imong sa weight class kanipilong kung maganggaan mo kusog sa
Pas ang imong hapak.
Ari sa mos bugat sa kay hapak.
Pang. Pa. Mo na akong gingon lagi, if you're not really trained, don't try this game. It's delikado, and then kung bulagpot pa ang bunal, delikado maigo pa ang referee.
Kani nga duwa mura Davao ni versus kuan Cagayan di Oro.
So they're all from Mindanao. So kini nga competition karon, kini nga event is participated by players, by fighters from Visayas and Mindanao, dahil Luzon delegation.
Ang Luzon na anta to ganahan pero wala man na dayon. Contingent na disarm siya.
Disarmed siya. So this is not the end of the round yet.
Dili pa.
Okay.
Nag-declare na sa referee.
Alright.
Kaya usahay manggod maliban ang judges, dili nila ma-minusan.
So kinahanglan alert sa the referee, because the referee with the last 5 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. First round of this fight. Second round. Here we go. You are watching this Arnis eskrima competition. I'm Dantos out of MyTV Cebu with Cacoy. This is actually a tribute to the Supreme Grandmaster Cacoy, who's hailed as the SGM. Now, what is SGM? It's Supreme Grandmaster Cacoy, passed away in 2016 at the age of 92.
96.
96.
Actually, 96.
I was able to watch him when he was in his 80s, and a lot of people were saying hinay na and all, but he was still fast.
Yes.
Magunitan ka nagihapon despite his age.
Hinay lang mo lakaw pero ang kamot masugya.
And you were lucky that you were trained by the Supreme Grandmaster.
O naagi kay kuan man siya good. Mura siya hands-on siya sa kuan ba sa mga members sa clubs. So tanan ay opportunity nga matudloan niya ka-mentor siya.
O sa mo to, niambak lagi ito, Chad. Is that a kind of style?
Marag kuan headshot.
You aggressive ang duha ka fighters. They're from Davao
and Cagayan.
Cagayan de Oro. Last 5 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, sa second round.
Pero kung ako'y judge, akong pangitaon katog yung nag-display gyud og kuan, variety of strikes.
Oh, okay. Third round. Coming up next. Here we go. This is exciting. This is the third and the last. They're both from Mindanao, actually. The fighters are both from Mindanao. One is from Davao and the other one is from Cagayan de Oro. And after this division or this category, much critical or much risky and second category because only headgear, no armor at all. But we still have a long way because this is the fifth fight. We have 9 fights actually from first to the last. And per round is only allotted 1 minute and 30 seconds per break. And this is the second round actually, ladies and gentlemen.
Paspas kayo ang dula pero kung ikay gadula murag hinay kayo yung pamati. Murag maghuwat ka kanus pa man mo pito ang referee.
Oo. And then ang muscle pains hindi kahuman sa competition.
Sakto gina Sir Dan. Masgara na ni maluthan ang kamot. Mo na natin standby nga mga medics.
Yeah.
Anytime doon sila may assistance available.
Okay. So is this the end of the second round or last? Okay, so
mag-decision na.
We'll see kung kinsa ang winner.
Winner, black, Salui Narciso.
So we have 2 foreigners here fighting. Chuck?
So kaning nasa black kay si Master Leonard Lee ni siya. Gikan ni siya sa LA, sa US versus John Ray from Darwin, Australia. So above 50 ni siya, Sir Dan.
You mean above 50 ang edad?
Ang edad, 50.
Pas gihapon. Despite the age. Ang akong nakita, you were telling me before, you were telling me during the break that we have one fighter from abroad who is having a minor signs of Parkinson's disease.
Mo na'y kuan kanang inspiring kayo kay wala nakapa-stop niya from training. Kuan na nun niya. Nakapa-motivate pa niya. Kay matud pa niya nakahap kunog yapon niya. Wala ni worsen.
So despite that your hands shakes because of Parkinson's, it's not a hindrance to be in the competition. No?
Actually, Sir Dan, ingon niya if naka-idle lang yang kamot diha mo shake pero kung naglihok mo hapak.
Okay, last 5 seconds. First round. Here we go. Second round now. We have the fighters from USA and the other one is from
Darwin, Australia.
So this is one thing good or one thing special about this competition is that we don't have contestants only from or fighters only from the Philippines, but we have fighters also from other countries like Australia or United States and other places. Second round. This is a fight versus or between the USA and Australia. Now we will see who's the best fighter here. We still have 1 round to go. This is the second round, actually ongoing.
Kanang pagdikit niya, Sir Dan, strategy na siya. Pero kung makita ni mo, budikit o niya, muhatag na sa distansya. Kaya kung dikitan mo gani mo, kuan ang iyang game plan. Usab, di na siya kahapak ng tarong. So, naagya po kay, dili lang kayo ni hapak-hapak, kundi nagyan ni strategy. Pag sparring.
Kung imo lang kung tanahon siya, murag hapak pa man, no?
Oo, yun.
Oo, pero wa ka kahibaw nga naa ay na siya po'y kinini ang precise movement, ang blow and strike. This is the end of the second round. Go third and last round actually. Australia versus USA.
Nagplano mi o kuan sa centennial birthday ni Grandmaster Cacoy, nagkuan gyapon ni sila interest nga mobalik next year na sad.
And with the success of this competition that we have, I'm optimistic that you'll have more participants in the next competition, because I'm pretty sure this players from abroad, like from the US and Australia, would tell their colleagues that, come on, join us and come to the Philippines the next time and compete.
Ang kuan lang, bad timing lang karon na year kay ang uban committed na sa lain nila nga travel nga plans pa. Pero next year daghan nagkuan og interest nga mo join na gid sila.
Okay. So this is now the third and the last. But this is not the end yet, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is the end of the third and final round. As they embrace, this is a great sign of sportsmanship.
Nakanindot aning eskrima kay Paranis tanan edad.
Yeah.
Wala kay
Way gipili nga edad ni siya. So the winner is from
Australia. John Ray.
Yeah.
Hey, good fight, guys. Both good fight.
In full armor and headgear, first round.
Mura manig si Ingrid Herbert sa Australia versus Annabelle sa Canada.
So women are fighting, Senator. And this is the second round of the seventh game, or the seventh fight.
Pabor ganing taas kay ang reach nimo, naagid nimo ang kon ba game, you cannot control sa game. O na ay disarm
na nahulog nga stick.
Sa una, Sir Dan, basta mahulugan kag stick o sa ipadayon.
Okay.
Away karon amo na hiuli para makuan gid ba nga double stick gid ang away.
Alright.
Pagamay-gamay lang pero mo kuan gyapon. Una kasagaran strategy kung taas og reach imong kontra imong dikitan.
And one thing different is in this competition, unlike boxing or other forms of martial arts, that weight matters. No, depende sa weight ni mo classification. But here, dili ni mo matter o pila imong timbang.
Kung enough kuan lang yun, daghan lang yun players maka kuan tag sakto nga kuan weight categories.
All right, that's the end of the second round, ladies and gentlemen. This is the seventh game of this category, and this is the second round now. I reiterate, as you can see there on your TV set, they're in full armor with headgear. Australia versus Canada.
Kani si Ingrid mura ikatulo na kitaan niya sa kuan ining invitational tournament nato.
So kung ano ni siya, kada na ang one of those nga masigin na gyud apil, no? Pagbalik sa competition.
So above 40 gyapon ni nga age category, Sir Dan.
Okay.
So seniors gyapon.
Last 5 seconds, first round. Oh. Final round, third and final round. Puro babae ang atong mga fighters dire, no? If I say fighters or participants. Go. Oops.
Disarm, second disarm na niya. So usa na lang ma-disqualify
na.
siya.
Disqualify na. Gamay ning usa.
O Pilipina man siya.
Ah, okay. Go!
Pero medalist ni siya 2012 kaning gamay sa Forms Division. Maayo sa din sa kata.
Okay.
Kini si Annabel Alonso.
And then ang ako sa nakita din, this can develop your self-confidence and self-esteem.
Sakto good.
Especially those people nga maka-feel bitaw sila na ay kanana reservation or kahalok because okay, what happened? Pam! Here we go.
Ana mura
magluya.
Good siya o naluya. Mura kansihon siya isa ka bunal sukli ang daghan.
Red, Ingrid Giver. Silver, Annabelle Alonso.
Wow! You saw the the competition. Now this time, the second part will be more exciting and more risky because ang mga participants nato sa sunod nga competition naka-headgear lang but walay armor.
Although padded stick atong gamit pero naagya pon ang pain factor. So kuan gyud dili na ka maka unsa ni imo lang pasagdang gibunalan ka dapat depensa gyud ka.
My concern is what if the fighter loses control and once you carried away by your emotion ang imong hapak nga na mas kusog.
Kuan sakit ang imong yung response na kuan good bows good.
Yes.
Pero that's why na ang referee diha para pag kuan good sa fight siya yung supervise sa fight nga according to rules good para safety.
Let's watch this. Okay, tingnan karon check sa competition which for me mo pinaka-delikado, pinaka-crucial kay flying body armor ang atong mga players.
Oh yes sir, Dan ituyo ni siya na lahi sa niya format kay para ang mga players mo kuan gyud pakitag depensa kay dili na magsalig sa body armor ba.
Ang ako lang during worry kay bisan kung padded sticks ang gigamit ari sakit gihapon ning laito ka.
Sakit gyud ni Sir Dan mo nang kani siya gi-allow sa damo ang pag-hold sa stick unlike atong usa ka format nga purely binulanay lang yun. Kani maka-hold ka sa stick for 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah. While grabbing the stick, pwede siya ka makatira sa imong kontra.
And notice, mas paspas ang tira. No? Naghumana ang first round. We are into the second round. Ang akong nabantayan na ni mas paspas ang buong nila kay dili naman bukat ang lawas kay wala may armor. No?
Oh, mas gaan naman. Dili pareha tong armor nga kon pa ka nangusog pa kasi mong bunal, nag-alsa pa ka sa armor.
Ako lang i-reiterate rin, of course, kung may rules, dili pwede ang below the belt na blow.
So, para kuan delikado sa disgrasya ba?
It happened sa una na inaring white body armor na naging mapiang or masakitan.
So far, so dan wala man noon.
Ano to sa atong third round, mas bubo ang atong 20 seconds lang.
Okay, 20 seconds na mo kay enough raman ang 20 seconds para pag tagaan sila chance makaka-display sa ilang techniques sa skills.
Third and last round, then as you see, obviously, white body armor, only headgear, protection, and although they're using padded sticks, still may go kaniyani very, very painful, especially kung mawala ng control ang kinaniyang players. Okay, so this is now the end of the third and the last round. Tanaw natin kung kinsang winner ng ining competition siya.
Winner, Black Bronze Pavilion. Next fight for ring number 4, Adrian Olson, red versus
Second game, first round, again 20 seconds lang ang duration ng fight. And ipausap sila ang formation and here we go again.
Notice ni mo Zerdan nga compared atong armor sparring, mas dali sila makakuan og techniques pareha ng pag-disarma, pag-grab kay wala may kanang sagabal ba.
Mas ang lihok nimo mas paspas kay wa man kay babag sa imong lawas. Pero mas delikado, mas dangerous. Okay, so this is the end of the first round, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Dante Lozon with Chamaniete. Second round na eh.
Makapurma ang kontra.
Okay.
So mas less ang kuan pain.
Aha. Pero bisan pa siguro og naka-paddle sticks na gina. Mas aggressive, mas paspas ang bunal as explained tungod kay what na may cover ang lot. This is the second round.
Second round.
Go!
Tungod gud sa kanang sakit man gyud ni mabunalan kay wa kay armor mo nang modikit ang gini sila para dili tagaag enough nga ba nga maka bitaw maka-purma ang kontra.
Tapos na ang second round. Third and last round sa second game.
Tungod sa kadikit ang unang posisyon na ni idikit man ang duha ka kuan kamot. So ingon sa referee fight pwede na din ka makakuan imong i-grab ang stick, madisarma ang kontra, madidakan siya og points.
Ano to? Oops.
Mana.
End of the third round.
Murag kuan lang ang headgear. Importante gyud kay Sir Dan nga ang referee uptick kay tangtangang headgear. Delikado.
Again, panalitan ng matangkang mulat po ang headgear. So, temporarily stop ang fight.
Oh. Ya, naagid na ba yung mga maldituhon? Kuno ay wala tayo mangigo gyapon.
The end of the third and last round. Now we'll find out again who can say winner. Okay, here we go.
Winner, black, Christopher Filipino.
Okay, third game in the first round. We are here annotating sa City Sports Club Cebu.
City Sports Club Cebu sa Cebu Business.
Just na po sa nagsugod man ta sa Robinson's Galleria, so I got disoriented. Okay, now na to karon ang labo ng mga players.
Ni mga gagmay ni, mga lightweight man ni. Gula karon.
So mas pas-pas din mo yung kay gaan. Maigo ka sa tuhod ani kay wa kay padding sa imong tuhod, delikado.
Labhag gyapon ni Zerdan, bisan padded. Klaro gyapon ang kuan. Agi sa bunal.
Kinahanglan gani kay hangga yung pain relief.
Labi na gula kay kuhay sa gabal, makahapos-hapos.
Okay, so end of the first round. Sugod na ta sa second, dali kayo karon compared ka kanina sa katong first game, 9 games na to. Okay, karon 20 seconds mo lang. Here we go, second round.
Pas-pas ng kuwasan. Uptick pa. Mo man ay sagaran kanon good i-kon sa judge ba. Ay mong pagka-aggressive, pagka-uptick nimo. Niya ang kana sa nang skill sa display sa kuan, combination sa strikes ba.
Precise and end of the first round. Okay, third and last round. Nagkakitaw ko rin, no? Sa point. Nag-enthusiast pa.
Labi na ron, mas daghan ron ng kuan, kining mga batanon. Kaya nakatabang ni ang pag-declare nga as national sport nato ang Arnis ba, pinakuan tungod ni Senator Zubiri. Ang daghan na involved nga mga bata, high school, grade school, compared sa una.
And that's a fight, and then the winner is the guy wearing black shirt.
Winner, black, Sean Patrick Gaviana.
Okay, so punta karon sa next fight. This is the first round. I think, Chuck, this is US versus Philippines.
Yes, taga Oregon ni ang black.
Okay. Muling nakalindot karon kay bisan og Filipino ang Arnis gain international recognition kada kana kay ni apil nga tagagawas. Grabe yung binunalay ani karon.
Ko gani. Ko sa nigkuan kining mga buto-buto.
That's why it's called Polata. We have a little problem kay murag di time out kay
murag ang stick ang kuan ilisanan.
Okay.
Nag-ilis na og stick para sa safety gyapon. Kay makita naman na namnay ratan sa sulod.
Makita. Okay. And so that's the end of the first round. We begin with the second. Again, makita nimo ang kung sa sports o sa sign of sportsmanship pinagi sa mga players nato. Here we go for the second. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Kamubo sa fight, Sir Dan, maningkamot yun ang player nga display yun niya dayon ang iyang kwan, iyang skills. O wala kay usikan nga oras ba?
Ang time mga wasted pas-pas paliw tayo. So, end of Here we go, so third and final round, Philippines versus USA.
Pinulanay.
Kanina nagka-problema kay Gili sa ng stick. Karon I hope same problem will happen again. Alright. Grabe ang kwan, ang hapak niya. And that's third and last. Tanaw lang ka sa winner.
Ring number 4, winner, Black, Jose Hernandez.
Doce Pares has enjoyed a special reputation among the Philippine martial arts organizations as the developer and innovator after adapting newest styles and techniques. And the legacy of the Supreme Grandmaster, Sir Cacoy Cañete, lives on.
Okay, so that wraps out the coverage that we have. Pero ang imong assessment sa competition from start to finish, what do you think?
Kuan man nun, kining successful good siya. Actually ni nahumantag one day sayo.
Oh.
So nga nakasmooth ang atong kuan mga dula.
So, what's your plano? What's your next move after this?
Instead sa 2020 na ang next nga tournament, amo nang bagong plano ron is ipahigayon na next year para pag-commemorate sa centennial birthday ni Grandmaster Cacoy Cañete. So nag-express na sa tong uban foreign teams na makatambong na gyud sila ana nga kuan time.
Ang imong last message sa atong mga viewers?
So magpasalamat ko sa mga supporters, labi na ang Cebu City Government, ang Cebu City Sports Commission, ang Philippine Eskrima Arnis Federation ni Senator Miguel Zubiri sa ilang support, ug ang mga sponsors labi na ang Skygo, ang Robinson's Galleria, ang Golden Prince Hotel, ang Sticks Arnis Equipment, MyTV, ug ang kining Martial Arts Academy sa Plymouth sa UK. Nga nihatag og support. O pasalamatan sa nako Sir Dan ang mga participants diri sa Cebu, ang mga team sa Cebu, team sa Ormoc, sa Cagayan, sa Hingoog City, o ang kaning mga foreign teams gikan sa UK, sa Canada, Australia, o sa US.
Og thank you sa among sister companies also for the support. International Marketing Group, the IMG, the Kaiser International, and Kaiser Medical Center and Diagnostics,
De Los Reyes Optical Clinic,
and MB Life. Thank you very much. In behalf of MyTV production staff and crew, I'm Dan Luzon. Thank you, Jack.